What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hammer Dance YouTube channel. Today we have a very special video. I've been talking with some people from Streamlabs, and they have been working on a tool that's going to help anyone here who's trying to be a creator, trying to edit and collaborate with people. It's going to help you guys out immensely. I know for me, especially last year, I was really looking into finding a tool that can do this and make it easy to collaborate with people, or easy to work with an editor, or even just to get feedback on your projects and your videos and stuff. So today we're going to talk about Oslo.io. So this video is sponsored by Streamlabs today, guys. If you want to check out Oslo, using my link down below in the description of this video, there you can use it for free, and then obviously you can upgrade and get packages that allow you to have more storage and things like that. Some new features, unlimited people to collaborate on your projects with. Pretty cool stuff. So what we're going to do today is we're going to dive in right now, and I'm going to show you guys what Oslo.io can actually do. Also, dad jokes, I know you're editing this video for us right now, so feel free to show from your end what you can do with Oslo. Guys, I just want to give you some kind of like live and like real-time experience with this tool. So dad jokes and I are going to be using Oslo.io to actually edit and go back and forth on this video. So stay tuned. This is going to be pretty cool. All right, guys. So upon loading up Oslo.io. By the way, this is all done in your web browser. Oslo.io is the website you're going to input there. You can go on, make a free account. Right now, I have a gold account, so I have 200 gigabytes of storage on here. It's kind of like Google Drive in a way. So this is also pretty good because you're not taking up space on your computer and things like that. And then if you come down here to the upgrade button, you can see the gold plan, which is what I have, and then the diamond plan, which upgrades you to 1 terabyte of storage, an unlimited amount of collaborators, unlimited uploads, and VIP support, which is really cool for $25 a month. I have the gold plan. That's what I'm working with right now. And like I said before, if you want to sign up, use my link down in the description below this video because I'm affiliated with Streamlabs and I get a kickback from that. So you help support the channel as well. But anyways, upon first glance here, this looks very similar to Google Drive, in my opinion. We're in a demo project right now, so you're able to upload your videos, upload your raw files, your audio, all that stuff on here. And then anyone that you invite to be a collaborator on this project can also edit and access all of those files as well. Now, right off the bat, one of the cool things that I want to mention here is that this is purely browser-based. You don't need to install any software. You know, your editor or your collaborators don't need to install any software. You just invite them to the project and everyone can access all the same files. And there's no restrictions as to file types. You could do PDFs, JPEGs, videos, audio. There's no limit to the types of files that you're going to be able to upload to your project. Let's start by like poking around a little bit here. So this is a demo video that's, this is just part of the demo project that Streamlabs has incorporated into your first use of Oslo.io. So right here, if we open this video, it should just start playing. Oh my god, that's so loud. I didn't change it to my headphones. Hold on. Hold the phone, guys. Hold the phone. So if I asked dad jokes for an edit and I said, hey, the contrast was off right here at this portion of the video, if you click that notation, it brings you to the exact portion where the contrast is off, which is really cool. I like that a lot. So I say, hey, the contrast looks off here. Can you please, edit it, maybe do something to make it look a little bit better? And then he comes in here and he's like, okay, no problem. Leaves a comment like, hey, I'm working on it now. Boom, sends it immediately. Then what you can do, it's timestamped as well, so you can see when these messages come in. So let's say it's done. He edited the contrast. It looks good. We give it a thumbs up. We hit resolve. And it should cross out that, yeah, see, exactly. Crosses out that comment right there, so we know that that's done. No issues there. I honestly think that that's a cool feature. So you're basically able to edit and talk to your collaborators in real time and give exact spots on these videos where you want things done. I'm pretty sure here we can toggle some annotations right here and we can draw. So let's say at this portion of the video, right? I want to say, hey, crop this left side out. So I'm going to go, whoop, my little blue marker. You know what? We're going to do yellow so we can see it even more. Boom, right here. Hey, and I want that cut out on that side. You can literally draw on the video and let them know the exact spot, or it's something that you want out of there, or like, hey, this mountain, I want that gone, or make it blurry, or this all behind this guy, I want that to all be blurry. I don't want you to see any of that. You can draw on the actual video. Your editor gets to see that and then can edit it in real time, which is so cool. This is like some truly innovative stuff. I was looking for something like this for a long time, and I looked at something called frame.io. It was extremely expensive. It wasn't really geared towards creators. I can't stress enough that Oslo.io is geared towards creators and YouTubers and stuff like that. It's affordable, and all these features that they've implemented. And keep in mind, this is still in progress. This is still being developed. So this is going to get better and better with time. But as it stands right now, in the condition that it's in, Oslo.io is fully functional, and it's pretty awesome. This is going to make things way easier. Not to mention the fact that you can literally publish straight to YouTube from here. If you hit publish to YouTube and you want this to go, you link this to your YouTube channel. You can upload your thumbnail, write your description and a title. This will upload as unlisted and then or private, and then you can obviously go onto YouTube, go in your studio, and then edit all your tags and all that kind of stuff. So you can directly publish to YouTube from here. So that adds another layer of, like, if you want your editor to do that for you, or you just want to be able to pump things out really quick, so that you do not need to, you know, you're not saving this files to your computer and all that. This is purely done in the cloud, which is really cool. It saves a lot of storage, saves a lot of time. And really what this is doing is making, you know, creating content and editing videos and all that stuff a lot more efficient, which is what we need. The more efficient we can be at this, the more content we can put out, and the better we're going to be at everything. Some other things we can talk about here is, right here is how you would add people to the project. You can just invite someone right here. With the goal plan, I think I could have up to 3 collaborators on a project, which is cool. Usually it's just me and dad jokes, so that's not an issue. You can track the status. So let's say this is one portion of a video or one video that we're working on, but we have a few things uploaded that maybe my editor is working on a little bit at a time. So right here, you can put a status and say, like, this is in progress. Or let's say he did some edits and he wants to leave it in review. He can put needs review, and then that means that when I log in and I see that, I'm like, oh, okay, it's time to review it. I'll review it. I'll leave whatever comments I need to leave, any annotations, and then he can go back and see that he needs to make those edits. Once it's done, you can change it to ready to publish, and then I know, like, all right, we're good to go. I reviewed it. Looks good. Let's get it on YouTube. And last but not least, one thing I do want to talk about that's very cool here is you can turn on notifications for every little thing done within Oslo.io. So if you come up here, click the little hamburger. Nope. If you go up there, click the 3 dots, we can see what we want to have email notifications turned on for. I have them all checked. You could turn them off if you want, but if you want to have notifications for, let's say your editor leaves a comment or a new member joins the project or there's new chat messages, you could have it send emails directly to your email address, so you know, like, oh, I got to jump into Oslo and see what's going on. So very cool that we could have notifications there sent to our email. And then right here, this actually is real-time feedback of things that you've done or that your team has done on the project. You can see any status changes, any comments, renames, things like that will pop up here as well. All in all, guys, I'm excited to use Oslo.io. Me and Dad Jokes will be using this going forward. This is an extremely useful tool for all creators out there. Even if you don't have an editor and you just want to collaborate with your friends on videos or content or whatever it is that you're doing, this is going to make that really, really easy. Kind of fun. I like that you can draw on the videos, leave comments at certain points. All that stuff really adds to it. It makes it a lot more fun to work with people. And that's why we're doing this. You know, that's why we do content creation. We love working with people, getting feedback, improving our content. You guys know how it is. That's what this is all about. So Oslo.io, in my opinion, is going to be a pretty big part of my content going forward. I will be using this to edit all my videos with Dad Jokes. Because before this, we used to just upload things to Drive and then send it back and forth. And, you know, I would like make documents or message them in Discord to give like updates or comments, things like that. Even if you have someone doing your thumbnails, still can use this for that. Doesn't need to only be video. So that's pretty cool. We're going to be using this going forward. But anyways, guys, that's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys do check out Oslo.io. And like I said, remember, if you do check it out, use my link down below. I am affiliated with Streamlabs. I will make a portion of money if you guys sign up using my link, which is cool to support the channel. And I thank you guys for that. You always do it. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And I want you to keep those hammers up. I'll see you next time.